So make it. Find the mean, the standard deviation, and sample size for each company's A through E. Click on the link to access the data set. So make a histogram of the stock performance data for each of the companies. Paste your graphs here. Let me see where my quantitative. Let me clear my results for my last one. And copy and paste for the new one.
Did you do each one of them separately? Is that how you did that? Like A through E? I guess it's.
So I did it for year.
Okay.
Wrong one. Sorry, I need to get rid of some of these Excel. All right. So let me pull that up. So here's company A, and I'll screenshot.
Yeah, if you can just show me how you put it into your graph so I can see how to do it. Where you're copying that.
So I went from this one and just I highlighted the numbers.
I can't see yours. Can you make it so I can see your screen or
this one? So you just kind of grab and do that.
I can't see your screen.
You can't anymore?
No, I can only just see you.
Oh, okay. There we go. Now you should be able to see my screen. How about that?
Perfect.
Can you see it?
Yes, I can see.
Okay, so all I did was
from the top of A and pulled it down, right?
Yeah. And then I don't even have to do anything. And then I just hit, just go over here and hit Control V, and it pastes them in for me.
Okay, so I'm highlighting mine. Did you do A and F or just A?
I just did all of column A.
Okay.
I'm not sure how. I'm assuming.
And I clicked copy. And then let me pull up this one. And you just. Oh, and mine just pasted in there really nice.
Mm-hmm. Did it?
Yeah, so for company A, it is in there on the histogram chart, right? Is that what we're supposed to be making with this?
Right. So, and then I think for each one, we're also supposed to figure out the mean, the standard deviation, and the sample size.
Okay.
So I can stop sharing now. Sorry.
Oh, you're fine. So the mean and the deviation comes out, right? Right on that numerical descriptive statistics.
Yep.
So on A, what did you get for the mean?
21.27631.
That's what I have. So 21.3, I guess. Would you round that up?
Yeah, I would round it. You know, the one thing they said in the book that you round to 3, but in the book, they were usually rounding to the second, the hundredths. not the thousands. So
go like 21.28.
yeah, that's what I would do.
And then our standard deviation is 37.68, right?
Yeah.
And then our sample size, I don't know where that is. Sample size, is that just like if you look over here on the other side? It goes from 3 to 43, so 40.
Yeah.
Is that our sample size, do you think? Is that
Yes,
right?
that's my assumption. That's my understanding.
Okay.
So, and then you would copy and paste if you were going to. I didn't copy
So
and paste it on my homework.
Yeah, did you just pull up a bunch of them or did you get rid of each one as you move? Like as I go to
Yeah, I got rid of each one and I made sure that I did it. So,
okay.
which ended up, I think, for 8.
I've got too many screens pulled up here too.
I know it gets a little crazy, huh?
Yes, let me. Okay, I'm sorry that I'm not prepared. I really did try. I've been on here for 2.5 hours. I just couldn't figure it out.
So, it said if you were saving for retirement, which of these 5 companies would be the most attractive investment? And I don't know the answer to that one.
Okay. Well, I'll keep going through these if you care.
Is it going to be the one with the highest mean? I know.
Yeah, you'd think it'd be the one that would make you the most, right?
Right. I'd have to go look at my notes again, but I know they said something about stock on there.
Company B. So for the mean, I have 30.72. Does that sound right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, I'm just making sure that we're on the right same thing here. I copied the right numbers. And then the sample size.
Oh, mine's frozen.
It seems like you'd want the one with the highest mean. Wouldn't that be the one that averages the best, the most?
See, I'll have to look in my notes. I wasn't sure either, so I could ask my husband. He loves stocks. He actually, he just wrote a program. He's a computer engineer. He
Oh,
just
wow.
wrote a program to track all of his stocks. Personalized program.
Wow. Haven't sent that to me.
Right?
Right. That's pretty sweet. So
Yeah.
one of my sons, he earns money mowing lawns.
Mm-hmm.
Saved up $500, like just in his room. And he was like, I want to invest this. And so we helped him invest, like just, like online with E-Trade.
Mm-hmm.
But it's been pretty good. He's made like $500.
Oh, nice.
Right.
Yeah, and I was gonna say it's good for them teaching them too.
Yeah, just for him to learn. But I am not a great investor.
Me either.
Okay, so for company C, was your mean 41.12?
Yeah, hold on. Let me get back to that one. I'm gonna have to copy and paste, so give me a hot second.
Yeah, no problem.
Um,
I just copied and pasted and it still had some left from company B, which I think I deleted, but I wanted to make sure I was getting the right numbers.
let me. Let me just double check for C.
And then I wonder if we should write down what the graph looks like. You know how, well, for mine, this one's right skewed.
Oh, right.
And that maybe would tell you like what you would want to invest in.
Could be.
Because if you
Let me
go,
see if I can find that. 41.12, is that what you got?
yeah, and then 79.18 on the standard deviation.
Correct. And
Okay.
then I had 27 is the sample size.
Yep. Oh,
Okay.
I put 26 on my sample size. Maybe I wrote it down wrong.
Is your last one minus 24.39759?
Yeah, and it goes to my cell 28, but I started in the second. Yeah, you're right. It's 27. So I'm just trying to do these a little bit too fast.
No worries.
And then D, but I wonder if we should, if I should have written down what type of graphs they all made, if that would make a difference in what you wanted to invest in. Because this company seems to be doing better over time, right? As you
Right.
get to those lower years, it's, or does it go the opposite way? What's our years on the,
I
let me go back to that graph.
all right.
Huh. It's more, I don't know what it's plotting.
For which one?
Okay, so in C, or the third one, look at your graph and see.
It was bell shaped.
Is yours bell shaped? Is this the one with the mean of 41.12?
Oh, mine was, it was right skewed.
Yeah, mine's right skewed, but see at the bottom. So I guess the left is your negatives, right? And the
Mm-hmm.
right. So I would say this company is doing poorly. See how much more there is towards the negative values?
Right.
Is that what you think?
Well, see, there's no explanation on the numbers. So I'm not 100% sure
I know.
what the
Sometimes
numbers are
see how it's
representing.
negative 100, negative 50, and then you move up to the positives, right? Is that what yours looks like? Negative
Right.
100, 50, 0, 50. I just should have looked at those other two charts. I'm going to go back and look at those and see how they compare. Right? If we're supposed to decide which company we would choose.
Right.
Okay. Are you still there? Did I lose you? Mm.